People, today come like a Friday the 13th, people. Quick and fast. Yo, take it up fire, Russia.
Them can't see the struggle man face because I'm not show none. Them go wrong. I see them switch up when they think slow down. And them
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time, yeah, check out the Chaddy More TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications anytime we upload videos like these. You definitely are gonna be the first to know.
Yo, creeper.
First and foremost, more of a say, I hope everybody dry and safe because Jamaica get some rain yesterday and not normal. Grace deal with the thing away. Grace did well spicy. We definitely are gonna share some clips of what took place yesterday in this review. Shenseea is now the queen of the dancehall according to Spotify. We are going to talk about that because Shenseea curated a list. Official playlist and not one spice song upon it. Anyway, we're going to talk about that later on. Teejay finally explains the real reason for leaving the Ramesh Entertainment camp. Florida-based dancehall artist Tajji released new music video entitled No Regards. We are going to take a look at that one as well. So let me run the intro and then we go straight into the topics. Alright.
And them can't see me out from my sleeve because I'm not show love. And we no take program. I saw we take it from a young, now we grown up.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaksta said that.
People, you know say anytime Chaddy Murray TV bring forth an artist spanning platform and a joke artist. It's not no joker smoker artist. An artist who wanna look out for. Check the records now. Enough artists we see before them boss and tell the people them say them a go boss. And a couple months later, the world call him name. Check the records. Tajji is no different. No Regards is a song on my rate because it a tell you themself go out there and hustle. Even though at this point you might not be doing your dream job, but hustle. Don't show no face like you're upset. You see me? Smile with them and make them feel like everything alright, but you still a pre them. Don't do nothing now. When in the future, you're gonna regret.
Man, I look food and I hustle the bread. Same friend want to see you dead. Nah, don't tell me I know we a piece of them. From you sell me out, me can't trust you again.
Me and Tajji have the same characteristics. You see, from you sell me out, you can't forward around me again. Never. You will get that chance to sell me out again. You see me? And that's why sometimes we have to have no regards in what we do and what we say. Because if a boy don't like that, God go with him. People, want to know, go over Tajji page and go subscribe to him page. People, it's when you see artists like them here and do them thing, good artists, support them. Don't wait till the artists become this big monster it here go run and I say, yo, a long time me I listen to the artist there. More friend there. When the youth want the support, we never support him. But me know say the viewers of Chaddy More TV, them don't stay so. So what them I go do? Looking at the description or in the comment section, them see a link and them I go run go over him page. And them I go comment in the comment section and make him know say a Chaddy More TV send them.
I just a part of the journey. Live life every day, so we're learning. The road full of curve like cursive. I give thanks to the man for the mercies.
Don't forget to check out Tajji No Regards. And people, you can also follow Tajji on Instagram at Tajji, that's TAJJI11. Alright? Go on over there and support good music. So people, Shenseea is a certified dickhead. Shenseea uploaded a photograph with her hairstyle shaping like a dick with the caption, "The only thing that's on my damn mind lately Hashtag Be Good dropping this Friday. So I guess that is the cover art of her new song entitled Be Good. And she say a Friday it a drop. Why Shenseea? I don't know. Look like say turn a certified dickhead. Anyway, that's not all the information we have about Shenseea. Spotify crowned Shenseea as dancehall queen with their new official Jamaican playlist. And the playlist is also entitled Dancehall Queen. Now people, this playlist is curated by Shenseea. What that mean? A Shenseea and her team unpick the songs on this playlist. Now people, with a playlist like Dancehall Queen, you certainly expect the queen of stage, Spice, to be on the playlist. People, when I took a look at the playlist, not one Spice song is on the playlist. Is that a coincidence? Or Shenseea and her team purposely left out Spice out of the playlist? I don't know, Star, I don't know. But a lot of people on the internet are talking about it. For example, Diary of a Mad Jamaican Girl shared her opinion with this comment. Lady Saw will forever be the queen until every lady go at it and clash and show we why them deserve it. We have no queen. None of them music don't transcend it. Ajeda alone a lead right now if you ask me, but she's not strictly dancehall. Our next user wrote, no offense, but Spice is the queen. Now people, I want to understand now. Shenseea did not say she's the queen. Spotify crowned her as the queen. Spotify created a playlist. Well, Spotify created the space for the playlist and Shenseea actually picked the songs. Alright, so I want to tell me what you think about that in the comment section. And make we move on. We now go far still. We are going right at Teejay foot because Teejay literally explain him position and why him have a split from the Ramesh Entertainment camp. And this is what Teejay had to say.
Well, honestly, bro, there's nothing to hide, bro. You see me? I just always want to know, say, yo, Teejay career don't need somebody who has 4 or 5 people to pay attention to. You get me, bro? Like, been I do this from 2000 now, like 2004. You understand? We grow in our music, you understand? We learn to use Pro Tools, engineer, build rhythm, everything. So it's like, I don't feel like I have to sit and wait. I have 5 kids and like for 2021 and 2020, I just feel like as an artist, my career just stuck one place as an outsider looking at it. You know them way there? You feel a way about some things, and like if you go to a person and say, yo, what's the next move? And a person asks you, what's the next move? Yo, you feel a way, bro. So you just feel like you're in the dark, you just feel lost and you know nothing what going on, bro. And like the moment you even say something, it's like, oh yeah, I get hype now. So no, so I'm the artist, so what? I'm not supposed to know anything about career, but I'm still always gonna respect the fact say we are come from levels to level, we have to move from levels. So if you go basic school, you have to go primary school, high school, college if you want to. So I just feel like I graduate from high school, upper 6, you know, and I got college, you know, you get me, bro?
I hear that.
It's not like there's a problem. The only problem there is attention never given to my thing, bro. And we are bad artists, and not just bad artists, we are world artists. And them say you have to self-proclaim more, but you have to have self-confidence.
Well, Teejay, I wish you all the best, and I hope everything works out in your career. Alright? Now, people, at the beginning of the video, I promise I'm going to share some clips of what took place yesterday on the beautiful island we call Jamaica, because Mama Grace blew hard. Yeah, man, Grace deal with the place away. Anyway, here are some of the clips.
People, light wire catch a fire from it. I'll move it to the light wire catch a fire from it. Watch it. Man, I'm after work. Watch out. Oh, what is? People. What's about damage? All come here, sir. Avengers come here, sir, people. You see, come like Avengers come here, sir.
I never see this yet. This is water on the river. This is water on bridge. Brother, never see so much water from my head. This is water on bridge. See badly, sir. Badly, sir, wicked. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, man. Right, that's a bad list there. Yeah. 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 Man's at work.
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My God.
Them can't see me out from my sleep, but come and not show love. And we no take program. I saw we kick it from a young, now we